Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the Memo CX26 phone cooler. This is Memo's newest release, a 30-watt semiconductor cooler. First, let's open it up. Inside the box, you get a user manual, a pair of clamp holders. Those are for phones that don't have MagSafe, a Type-C to Type-C power cable, the CX26 cooler itself, and of course, a magnetic attachment plate. Pretty complete package right out of the gate. Now let's talk build quality. This thing feels solid, really well made. It keeps that signature Memo silver accent, and the round shape kind of reminds me of the CX08. Up on the top edge, you've got two small buttons. Every function runs off just these two. Power goes in through a clean-looking USB-C port. The clamp area is nice and roomy, and the whole unit sits a little tall. The body's built tough, with copper heat fins that give it a really unique look. They're arranged diagonally, and there's no full wind cover, which honestly adds to the weight too. Speaking of weight, I put it on the scale. The body alone is 90.2 grams, and with the clamps on, it's 99.3 grams, so just under 100 grams total. Alright, let's plug it in. The moment it gets power, the RGB lighting kicks in with this smooth rainbow effect. Looks great. On startup, it defaults to L2, which is the max mode. The display sits on the side, it shows the mode first, then switches over to real-time temperature, and if you press the right button up top, it flips to show real-time voltage instead. Nice little detail. Let's talk power. This cooler is rated at 30 watts. I'm testing it with a 65-watt Xiaomi laptop charger, and it peaks at around 34 watts, but once things settle, it holds steady at about 30 to 31 watts. The left button controls the cooling modes. Press it once and we drop to L1. Hit the right button and you can see the real-time power sits around 17 to 18 watts. Press the left button again and now we're in AI mode. In this one, the AI takes over and automatically adjusts the cooling based on your phone's temperature. One more press of the left button and it shuts the device off. And here's a cool extra. This thing has 99 levels of fan speed. When you're in L2 or L1, just long press the left button to fine-tune the fan speed to whatever you like. In AI mode, though, you can't adjust it manually. The AI handles the fan speed for you based on how hot your phone gets. And through all of this, the RGB lighting keeps cycling. Honestly, it just looks really nice. So that's the Memo CX26. Solid build, flexible controls, and plenty of cooling power. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments and follow for more real tests. Thank you for watching, and you can get one on phonecooler.com.